From Sooner Standards, Improving Hardware Software Systems for Real Users, a complete Grade 7 computer science unit for Oklahoma Standard 7.CS.D.01, students learn to evaluate existing computing devices and recommend improvements to the design based on how other users interact with the device. Inside, a full teacher guide with pacing, misconceptions, and a scoring rubric, plus a content lesson with built-in comprehension checkpoints. This unit includes a standard mastery rubric for teachers and parents, a visual comparison chart of hardware versus software versus their combination, a CS Careers connection, and an AI connection, all built to the Oklahoma HQIM rubric, plus a 10-question assessment with answer key, group and individual activities, vocabulary puzzles, a family letter, and the certificate of achievement. That is 3 to 4 Daltons is of no prep. HQIM aligned instruction across 35 ready to print pages. Find it at Sooner Standards on Teachers Pay Teachers.